Take off my makeup with me. So I told you guys last time I did this, I had to go to the shelter like 10 minutes after, and I was considering getting a cat. Well, here she is. I got one. Oh my goodness. I need name suggestions. And if you didn't already watch the video that this was from, you need to. I spit water at my phone as the transition and made a huge mess. But the result, chef's kiss. Ow. I used liquid latex for this moss. And you guys are gonna kill me because I always do makeup when I'm supposed to go somewhere, but I was supposed to leave for a hike with my friends 10 minutes ago. Ah! The cats made a hole in my backdrop and now they're playing through it. And it's one of the most popular hiking trails in LA, so I feel like it would be funny if I showed up like this. You know, pop out, scare some girlies into running a little quicker on their hike. Could be good for them. I'm meeting up with Carter and Scott to hike. The holographic gloss on the lips, I feel like really brought it together. Thanks for watching.
Oh, hey, 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day.
I'm gonna be taking off my makeup using whipped cream. I did the zombie look using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Every product that I used is shoppable through Walmart.com and the link on my TikTok profile. Just hit the shopping bag icon and all the products will be there. And now, for the whipped cream. If you guys are wondering, wow Sid, why are you taking off your makeup with whipped cream? During the live, you guys picked dares for the loser to do, and unfortunately, I had to spin the wheel, and this is what I gotta do. Yummy! Let's get some straight from the bottle. Oh, right there. This feels wrong. But does whipped cream work as a cleanser? Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out. Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I can't really breathe, see, or touch anything with my hands now. You know what they say, beauty is pain, except this is not beauty, so just pain? I am really happy with how this turned out, but I gotta take it off because I want to go shower. Let's start with the eyes. Oh, that feels so nice. I can bend my hands now. I tried washing it off, but it didn't help. Also, I'm sorry if I might be whispering, it's because it's midnight and everyone's asleep. It's not like I'll be able to fall asleep later anyways. And something tells me that neither will you. Anyways, let's take this off. Should I just go for the eye hole? Oh, it's really on my face. Ow, okay, wait. I do this literally every day. Come on, Valeria. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I guess that's one way to do it. The bold cap? Oh, my hair's covered in foundation. I'ma go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Obviously, there's no prosthetics on my face, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing a makeup print. Ooh. I'm gonna take my wig off, so bear with me while I look insane. My light just fell on my table and almost knocked over a full cup of water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna very lightly spray my face. That's good. This is gonna help the makeup transfer better. Okay, let's go for it. We're going to take my lash off. Come on. Oh my god, let's go. This is what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles, but overall, success. I love the chest piece, but it's too big for any makeup wipe, so eh. But it is time for the nightmare fuel. Wait, first. This is so sad. I look like the moon emoji again. But I think I'm gonna need to take the rest of this off in the shower. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Ah. Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off. Literally, pain. It's 11 p.m. and I need, like, I should start getting ready for bed. But I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I wanna have this on. I'm not gonna sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay, we got this. Okay, there we go. That wasn't, I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh? I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers and it's really late and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero, like this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying, yeah. Let's do the neck, 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR, because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow.
Ow, that hurt. I recommend to not pull these things off. Oh. The joys of rushing because I've got plans tonight and I need to be there now.
Creepers, creepers, where'd you get those creepers? Creepers, creepers, where'd you get those eyes?
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off and that is it. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. Ah, no physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Ah, literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. Ah, I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys.
This one here smells great. Which one? Smells like Mother's crazy sister Kate. Oh, you think so? Yeah, I do. It smells so good. She couldn't have been that crazy. I don't think so. Oh, you don't think so, huh? No. Well, she put her poodle one time in a microwave oven. To eat it? Yeah, to eat it? Oh, no. No, 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 silly. To dry it. But it exploded. And they were both found dead. She must have been out of her head.
Tiptoe by the window, that is where I'll become tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh!
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys.